welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do numbers patterns. We have learned, observe and extend geometrical and the number pattern in earlier classes. Let us move ahead and get ready for the little more brainstorming. First is number patterns. We have already seen simple patterns in number in earlier classes. In the name of the skip numbers, for example 3, then 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on, like 2, 12, 22, 32, like this. There are so many number patterns. Here in this chapter we shall learn to recognize and extend the given pattern and learn some mathematical concept through patterns. Observe the following pattern of line segment and then extend the pattern to fill in the blanks. Here line segment is given. You can see the number of point marked 1 and 2. 2 and number of line segment, that is 1. Next one, you can see number of point marked, that are 3. And line segment क्या हो जाएंगे 2 plus 1 3. Next you can see number of point marked, that is 4, and the line segment 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. Next you can see number of point mark, that is 5, and line segment कितने हो जाएंगे number of line segment 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 10. Like this a pattern is following here. So here we observe that the line segments are increasing in definite pattern along with the increase in the number of point mark. The pattern which gives us the number of line segment can be generated as number of line segment क्या हो जाएगा number of point mark multiplied by number of division obtained divided by 2. So we can apply the above generalization to find out the number of the line segment formed in 10th and 11th and 12th pattern. In case 10th figure की बात करते हैं, so number of point mark, that is 11, number of division क्या हो जाएंगे 10. So number of segment कितने हो जाएंगे 11 into 10 upon 2, that is 55. Now fill the last 3 blanks. So इस तरीके से ये pattern follow हो रहा है. So you can fill it. Next is number patterns. Are the series of number following a certain mathematical operation like plus, minus, multiplication or division? Let us observe some of them. So in first number pattern you can see 1, then 3, then 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. So here we can see if we add 2 to the previous number, like 1 में 2 ऐड किया तो 3, 3 में 2 ऐड किया तो 5, 5 में 2 ऐड किया 7. So this is the pattern following here. और number कौन से है odd numbers. So patterns of consecutive odd numbers. Clear? Next 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Here the pattern of consecutive even number is followed. Clear? Next is pattern of square of numbers. Example लेते हैं, observe the complete this number pattern 1, then 4, then 9, 16, 25 and 36. So we observe the number pattern, draw the generalization. 1 क्या होता है 1 into 1, 4 2 into 2, 9 3 into 3, 16 4 into 4, 25 5 into 5 and 36 6 into 6. We observe that each term is being obtained by multiplying the consecutive number by themselves starting from 1. Step 2. Next, counting numbers after 6 is 7. कौन सा 6 के बाद क्या आएगा 7. So next time is 7 into 7, that is 49. Further terms are 8 into 8 64, 9 into 9 81. Complete the pattern 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. So this is the pattern following here. So when we multiply a number by itself twice, the product is called the square of number. Means किसी भी number को हम उसी number से वो multiply करते हैं तो क्या होगा उसका square होगा. We say that 1 is the square of 1, 4 is the square of 2, 9 is the square of 3. Hence above pattern of number is the pattern of square numbers. Next is patterns of cube of numbers. Observe and complete the following table. Here we observe that each time is being obtained by multiplying the consecutive counting numbers by themselves 3 times starting from 1. The counting number that comes after 4 is 5. Let us simply multiply 5 thrice to obtain the next term. 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. So what is the pattern following here? 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times, that is 8. इसी तरीके से 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. So here we observe that each term is being obtained by multiplying consecutive counting number by themselves 3 times. The counting number that comes after 4 is 5. Let us multiply 5 thrice to obtain the next term, that is 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. Next is patterns of multiples of numbers. Observe the following pattern. Here we observe that each term is the multiple of starting from the lowest multiple 5th. 6th and 7th multiple of 4 are 4 into 5, that is 20, 4 into 6 24, 4 into 7 28 respectively. Thus further term of the series are 20, 24 and 28. The pattern in which we write the multiples of number is called the multiple of numbers. Complete pattern: 4, then 8, then 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, like this. Next is pattern of skip countings. Observe the following pattern. 1 के बाद क्या आ रहा है? 7. कैसे आ रहा है 1 के बाद 7? 6 ऐड किया है. 1 plus 6 7. Then next number अगर हम देखेंगे 7 plus 6, that is 13. Then 3 plus 6, that is 19. So you will observe what pattern is following here. Here we observed when we add 6 to the each number we get next number. So हमने क्या देखा? यहाँ पे कौन सा पैटर्न फॉलो हो रहा है? यहाँ पे फॉलो हो रहा है स्किप काउंटिंग बाय 6. लाइक 1 plus 6 7, फिर 6 ऐड करेंगे 13, 13 में 6 ऐड करेंगे 19, 19 में 6 ऐड करेंगे. इस तरीके से स्किप काउंटिंग बाय 6 का पैटर्न फॉलो हो रहा है. सो व्हाट शैल कम नेक्स्ट इन द ब्लैंक्स? नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे 37 plus 6 43, 43 में 6 ऐड करेंगे 49, 49 में 6 ऐड करेंगे 55. सो कंप्लीट पैटर्न क्या हो जाएगा? 1 7 13 19 25 31 37 43 49 एंड 55. नेक्स्ट इज पैटर्न ऑफ बैकवर्ड स्किप काउंटिंग. Observe the following pattern. Here you can see the pattern. 60 minus 5, that is 55. 55 में से 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 50. 50 में से 5 करेंगे हम सब्ट्रैक्ट तो क्या आ जाएगा 45. 45 में से 5 करेंगे 40. ऐसे ही हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते रहेंगे और नंबर्स आता रहेगा. Here at each step we subtract 5 from the number to get the next number. Every time क्या कर रहे हैं? 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं given number में से to get the next number. Such a pattern is called the pattern of backward skip counting. What shall come next in the blank? 30 minus 5, that is 25. 25 में से 5 subtract करेंगे 20, 20 में से 5 करेंगे 15. So complete pattern क्या हो जाएगा? Complete pattern हो जाएगा 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20 and 15. Next is exercise 3.1. Complete the following number pattern. 6 plus 8 plus नहीं बोलना था. Next is exercise 3.1. Complete the following number pattern. 6, then 8, then 10 and then 12. So first we will observe what pattern is following here. 6 में 2 ऐड किया तो क्या आ गया 8. 8 में 2 किया तो 10. 10 में 2 किया तो 12. 12 में 2 करेंगे 14. 14 में 2 करेंगे 16. 16 में 2 ऐड करेंगे 18. 18 में 2 ऐड करेंगे 20. So this is the pattern following here. Clear? Next is casting out 9. Consider the number 4067. Add up the digit 4 plus 0 plus 6 plus 7, that is 17. So further add the digit of 17. 17 की digit को add करेंगे 1 plus 7, that is 8. Clear? So 8 is the digit sum. Now if the digit sum is 9 or more than 9, we cast out 9 from it. For example, अगर जो sum है वो 9 है उससे ज़्यादा है तो क्या करते हैं? We cast out 9 from it. Subtract करते हैं 9 from it. Consider 2016. Add up the digit 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 6, that is 9. ये किसके इक्वल हो जाएगी? 9 के. Now cast out 9, we get 0. The digit sum in 2016 is 0. Let us check the answer by casting out 9. ये हमने क्या किया है? 535 को 24 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है, दैट इज इक्वल टू 12,840. नाउ यहाँ पे क्या था? डिजिट सम ऑफ ईच रो. ईच रो में डिजिट का सम कितना हो जाएगा? दैट इज इक्वल टू 6 इंटू 4, 24, 2 प्लस 4, दैट इज 6. डिजिट का सम 46 में डिजिट का सम क्या हो जाएगा? दैट इज इक्वल टू 2 प्लस 4, 6. इस नंबर में अगर हम देखेंगे, यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया? जो भी हमारा प्रोडक्ट आया उसका सम निकाला है, दैट इज इक्वल टू 15, एंड 1 प्लस 5 दैट इज इक्वल टू 6. नेक्स्ट इज डिजिट सम ऑफ 4 इंटू 6, दैट इज इक्वल टू डिजिट सम ऑफ 12,840. दैट मीन्स क्या है? हमारा प्रोडक्ट क्या है? करेक्ट. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज एक्सरसाइज 3.2. फाइंड द डिजिट सम. डिजिट हमारी है 6,541. सम क्या हो जाएगा? डिजिट सम हो जाएगा 6 प्लस 5 प्लस 4 प्लस 1, 11. 6 and 5, 11, and 1, 12, and 4, 16. So that is the digit sums. 1 plus 6 करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? 7. That is the digit sum here. Next, some more questions are given here. You have to practice all the questions of this exercise. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you to practice it.